Music producers, we are finally here. Your man's Curtis King at Curtis King TV finally got a silver plaque. It just came in the mail. I've been looking forward to this. I couldn't wait to do an unboxing of this. So we got multiple angles going here right now, but I already took the liberty of slicing shit up. And with that said, now's the time to actually open up this box. This box has got a nice little weight to it, but this box signifies that Curtis King TV made it to 100,000 followers twice, but we're here. We're not arguing about the details. So when you first open it up, what you're gonna see is this letter from the CEO of YouTube, Susan. It says, do you remember your first subscriber? Nah. my bad. Your 1,000th? Nah. Chances are you do. You know me better than I do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are so proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with this Silver Creator Award. Oh my goodness. You see her? Sexy. Look at that. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. And we're here to support you along the way. And who knows? When you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Shout out to Susan from YouTube. So that's a letter that they give you. They also give you this little card that shows that Rick checked out the packaging and everything is legit, but this is what we're here for. This is what we're here for. Look at this. My plaque even got a condom on it. That's what's up. Oh my God. You see that? Look at that, y'all. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Hey, look at that red hitting off of that. Hey, I got to figure out where to put this up. Fam, it's here. The plaque is here. Let me get this looking sexy. The plaque is here. After all that time, man, I'd say 3 years that I was trying to figure out ways to actually get my plaque, and my goofy ass did not know that there was a chat feature that allowed you to talk to somebody from YouTube. So first and foremost, shout out YouTube for even creating an award like this that honors their users that have passed this threshold. I'm appreciative of the platform. We've had our times. We've had some times, just like any relationship. We've had our ups and downs, YouTube, but I greatly appreciate this platform for honestly giving me an opportunity to leverage the things and the experiences that I had in the music industry. What folks don't understand is that YouTube gave me an opportunity to even the playing field in a music industry that's like, if this person say they don't rock with you, or if this person wants you out of here, you're blackballed. And then for a lot of people, they don't really have another place to go in which they're able to express their thoughts, or maybe not even be heard in the industry because you need the almighty cosigns or all of these things that come along with this weird business. This platform gave me the opportunity to have my voice be heard, but also to build a community that to this day continues to be the reason why I'm able to do what I do. So I gotta say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for any of you that have ever shared a video, liked a video, that have ever commented on a video, disliked the video, liked the video. I don't care, because at the end of the day, I'm the cause and you are the effect. So whether that's a positive effect or negative effect, look, I'm just glad that somebody cares enough to do anything related to my name. Gotta thank YouTube, gotta thank my audience, gotta thank the behind the scenes folks. First and foremost, my homie Richie, who really was the first person that was like, I think if you take this YouTube thing serious, you could really take off. Shout out to my brother Richie for shooting all those perspirations in the very beginning. Shout out for all the advice and helping me to find my voice as a YouTuber. Shout out to the homie J Anime, who would eventually come on and be my full-time video editor. Shout out to you for pushing me and allowing me to push you to different levels when it comes to our video editing and really our creativity. Shout out to Melvin, who was editing for me for a quick little second, and I appreciate all the work that you have done. It's crazy because all these folks that I am mentioning, with the exception of Richie, I found literally using this platform. Thankful for y'all. Thankful for Spence for being able to fill in for me and answer your questions here on YouTube whenever I wasn't able to be physically here. And then last but not least, man, shout out to my damn self. Shout out to my damn self for getting up and doing the work, even on the days that I didn't feel like doing the work. For getting up, making this happen on days where I was like, man, I don't feel like hearing myself. I don't even want to hear myself say rappers and music producers. Shout out to myself for still doing it and showing up. I just want to say I'm grateful. No matter how you found my channel, no matter what made you stay, I appreciate you. I look forward to the next milestone. But any advice that I have for someone like yourself, if you are not there yet, maybe if you feel like you're a long ways, time passes just like that when you just get focused on the work. I looked way past this award. I wasn't even looking at this at some point, and I'm actually grateful it came 3 years later. At some point, I didn't even care about the award anymore. It was really just about doing the work and understanding the why of why I'm here. You find that, you start to look past these milestones, you'll be surprised at all the awards that come along the way because you're just focused on the work. So shout out to my damn self for coming in here and doing the work and expressing everything that I wanted to express. That's it. That's the unboxing. Gotta find somewhere to put this. I'm not taking them down for sure, but on to the next milestone. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for liking today's video. If you didn't already, definitely take a little second to do that. We do music producer content all the damn time, and we would love for you to be a part of this amazing and thriving community. Like I always say, in this life, you will not be full of life until you decide to live life to its fullest. Yo, once again, it's Curtis King, the silver plaque, Curtis King TV. Hey, can I get another one since I got 200,000 YouTube? That's being greedy. All right, I'm gonna stop. Peace. Look up, Nazi. Say cheese.